If you're visiting Toronto, visiting the Ossington Strip is a must. It is a top spot for foodies. What's up, everybody? My name is Jenna the Explorer, and today we're here at a restaurant where mixology meets melody. It's called Rhapsody. Let's dive in. So every restaurant starts with a vision. Today I'm with the restaurant's owner. His name is Dan, and he's gonna answer some questions about Rhapsody. What makes Rhapsody so unique to the Ossington Strip?
Rhapsody is the most, I think, musical space on Ossington. So when you walk and you feel something, we wanted to pair that with a fantastic cocktail program. We wanted to pair that with food, and we wanted to pair it with music to just make it meld. And I don't think there are any other venues on Ossington that are doing it in this way.
If you were to give anybody, young aspiring entrepreneurs in the food industry, in the hospitality industry, what is a piece of advice you would give to them?
Hospitality,
it's hard.
This industry, it's super hard, but it can be really rewarding as well. If you choose to get into hospitality, you have to recognize that you are in the service business. You are doing this to serve guests, and if you don't enjoy that, service aspect, then you really don't belong in the business. You need to love the product that you're putting out. You need to put your heart into it and be passionate about it. If you're not passionate about it, don't sell it. You also need to be passionate about service to others. So it's 1 p.m. and we are behind the bar and we're gonna try some of these cocktails. I'm really excited. This one's called My Sherry Amour. How did you come up with that concept of what it goes inside of it? I know you associated it with a song, but how do you tell that story through the ingredients?
Usually when I'm creating a cocktail, I think of the idea or the inspiration first, and then with the color or the texture or whatever the cocktail may be about. For example, this is a gin sour. It's light, it's refreshing, it's pretty. It just made me think of the Stevie Wonder song, My Sherry Amour. And it happens to be our most popular cocktail on the menu. It's floral, it's sweet, it's sour, it's tasty, it's refreshing.
Oh yeah, very, very, very raspberry. And as you can see on the top, the frothiness, it just balances the drink. It's a really good drink.
My favorite cocktail on the menu, it has to be the Love Language, and it features an ingredient you can't really get here in Canada. It's super full-bodied. It's a little sweeter on the palate. There's a lot going on, so you definitely taste the coconut and the other elements in the drink. There's grapefruit, there's lime, there's 4 kinds of rum. The purpose of the mint is for aromatics on the nose. So when you go in for your first sip, you get a nice, fresh breath of air.
Oh yeah, that's good. I taste the nuttiness in there.
It's a complex palate.
It's a sophisticated drink.
It's almost like sometimes I get tea vibes coming off of it, but it's a fun one to make. I really enjoy it. It's just it's one of those cocktails that allow me to express creativity. First thing that we're gonna dive into is the it's a deconstructed samosa. I've never seen anything like this. It looks a little bit crispy. Ooh. Definitely for the vegetarians. Something I'm really excited to try is the mint sauce that's inside, that's under all of this. And let's dive in. Really unique concept of a samosa, a deconstructed one, and very tasty. And it allows you to actually put more seasonings and stuff on top of it. So I'm kind of here for this. Right here we have the cauliflower dip, something that I was most excited to try. It kind of looks just there's so much flavor inside. And let's go for this cauliflower dip. The owner of this restaurant said that this is one of his favorites and he eats it by the bucket. So let's see.
That is really, really good. What makes it is the crispiness and all of the flavors bundled together. Love that dish, 10 out of 10. Let's move on. All right, the one that I'm gonna go for is the Joe Burger. Let's dive in. Cute little slider, perfectly slider size. That patty has so much seasoning, very, very tasty. There's a little piece of bacon on there, a little bit of cheese. It's like the perfect bacon cheeseburger Joe Burger. This is the Ford's Burger. We have the peri-peri sauce, we have tomato, we have lettuce. Let's go. The sauce on this, I actually like this burger better than the Joe Burger. That you taste a little bit of kick from that pepper, and that is fire. Wow. Okay. Lamb's burger. I like that they give you so many different varieties on the plate, right? It's like a tapas style burger. I'm here for it. But my favorite one, this one right here. Peri-peri, all the way. If you come to Rhapsody and you're vegan, there's options. Right over here, we have the open face vegan sliders. I love vegetables. That works. That really works. It's like there's like a little pita on the bottom. It's all about the sauce, all about the flavor. We're going in with the ribs. Ribs, you gotta get down and dirty and eat those ribs. Let's go. Smoky. Tastes like that barbecue. These are the dry ribs. I love that sauce. So good. What's interesting about this plate is they actually serve short ribs with corn ribs. This is shit.
I think it's fun. Go for it.
First, we're gonna be doing this peri chicken. This is the chef's actual favorite dish, so I'm excited to give it a try. Looks good, char, flavor. I'm here for it. Served on a bed of fries. And let me go in. Look at that char. Even though I have a food coma, I'm gonna go for this. All right. Oh yeah. Spicy. That has a kick. Really, really, really tasty. Savory and sweet. Let's move on to the next dish. All right. Let's go for the lamb. Gonna use the hands. Damn. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna get messy again. Okay. Looks really tasty, juicy, charred, cooked perfectly. You can see that pink on the inside. That is how you cook a lamb, people. Not too gamey. Lamb is a gamey meat, but nice char, good flavor. 10.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's go. This was the one that I was the most excited for, and that's why I saved it to the end. So let's go in with the fish. I am a seafood lover. This is my shit. This is my plate. Let's go. The seasoning on it. I like the sauce that goes with it. It's light. It's flaky. I find a lot of restaurants tend to under-season or over-season fish, but that right there is very balanced and cooked very well. Now, we got these giant prawns. I don't think I can eat this with a fork and knife, so I'm just gonna go in again with the hands. I love seafood. Really good dish, really tasty. And a huge thanks to Rhapsody for bringing us into this space. Such amazing hospitality, great dishes. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And make sure you come and visit Rhapsody, 214 Ossington Avenue in Toronto, Ontario. And if you need to know any more information if you want to know any more information about Rhapsody, it is tagged below. Until next time.